I was really curious to see what's inside this Clicks keyboard, so I placed it on top of my 3D printer's heated bed to try to soften the glue on the bottoms there so I can open it up. Using this pry tool, I'm able to go around it and you can hear the clicks as the clips are released. It turns out there's no glue on there. I didn't even have to heat it up. If you can get something to penetrate the seal, you can just pry it open. Now to take off these little tiny screws. Three visible screws and one underneath this white gooey thing. You can just push the screwdriver right through it. The middle bracket came off and you can see it's weighted down with some metal. Here's the circuit board itself. You can see where the charge port is and where the USB-C connector is. Let's take the two screws off so we can release the USB-C connector. Here it is all apart. The buttons are a two-layer membrane that you cannot separate. Goes on top of each other like this. Now what I'm curious about is, will it work with other phones that it's not designed to? I'm going to check it out with this uncommon TCL NXTPAPER 60. You can see it's connected to the USB-C port on the bottom. I'm going to start my Notes app and you can see the typing actually works. Now how about a keyboard with a keyboard phone? I'm going to try this on my Unihertz Titan Slim, and yes, it does work. What about an older phone such as this BlackView? This is my favorite looking BlackView rugged phone. I don't like their new designs. They had really nice designs back then, but let's see if it works. And yes, it does. So now that I've taken it apart, it's very neat to see. And it seems like if I can 3D print out something that fits into other phones, I can pretty much put a Clicks device on any modern Android. I'm going to give it a try, so more videos will be coming on custom Clicks cases.